Hey, it's Ben. I have this ghost decoration. The company sent this over to me to check out, so let's talk about it.
So here's how it arrived for me. It is packed simply and securely in the box. There's no assembly required, so it came out of the package all ready to go, just packed in some styrofoam. Let me say, my first impression is that this is like a really cute decoration. To me, it's like this little kid in a ghost costume. So what we have here is a little figurine type decoration, though there's really no actual figure under the sheet, I don't think. And this figurine is under a type of like a glass globe, and it's sitting on a dark plastic pedestal. So if you look at the bottom of the pedestal, there's access to the battery compartment. It opens as expected. It does require three AAA batteries, and they are not included. Then there's just like a single on and off switch. The switch turns on the lights that are under the sheet. They're somewhat visible through the fabric if you look closely, but I really don't see that as a problem, especially when you're looking at it in a dim room. You don't really see that. You can see the figure is illuminated all the way around as well. So when placed on a shelf around the other decorations, I really think it looks great. I like the stark contrast of the white sheet and then like the black hat and the black facial elements and the black spider. And what's nice is that this works whether or not you use the lighting feature. There's just something charming to me about this piece, and I like the element of fun that it adds to the shelf decor. With the light turned on, I think it's even better. So I think this works even better at night when the lights are dim and the ghost both glows itself brightly, but also it just sends a nice glow to its surroundings as well, just making it even more of an interesting scene. What would be nice is if the light had some kind of timer on it so you didn't have to pick it up and manually turn it on and off every time you wanted to do that. But other than that, I think it's just a great addition to our holiday decorations. I really like it a lot.
Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.